Abri-Grace.
What?
What are you doing?
Eat some candy.
You see your shadow? Okay, so Abri-Grace is wanting us to do the tornado in the bottle experiment. She saw a YouTube video of somebody doing that. And we got, of course I put it in a different bag, but let's see. Okay, so we did get a science kit with different little things. And one of the things is tornado in a bottle. So we will see if we can do it. We got the color fizz tablets too, so we'll see. Okay, so we do have everything. Okay. Alright, so we are going to fill these up with water.
Look.
Yep, that's the connector. Okay. So we got one bottle filled up with water and going to use some of these color fizz tablets. What color did you want, Abri-Grace? What color?
Mine will make green.
Green. Okay, so take, let's see, you're going to take a blue one and a yellow one and drop it in. One blue and one yellow, okay?
One, two.
Do not put anything in your mouth.
One yellow.
What you got? Okay, one blue and one yellow. Okay, that's all you need. Drop them in. Oh, you saw that in the video too. Like, of course, this isn't like an original thing, but we was doing Benjamin's schooling, and out of nowhere, she's like, because she saw it on TV, she's like, "Oh, I want to do that." I said, "Oh, okay."
Yeah.
Video time then. I'll do a video too. Oh, look at that! Yeah. It's turning green. I am not 100% certain on how to do this. So, I believe what we do is, because it seems pretty simple, right? We connect those two, shake it, and then it falls down.
Go in here.
Hey, Benjamin. Did you want to come over here too? Let's get headphones on. Okay, wait just a second. Oh, that's still dissolving down there. You see that in there? It's still dissolving. Hey, Benjamin. Did you want to see the tornado in the bottle? Do you want to come over here and see it? We're going to do it. Hopefully it works. We didn't do like a test run. I'll stand right there. Stand right here. Okay. You want to do it, Abri-Grace, or did you want me to do it?
My turn to do it.
Okay, you got to shake it pretty hard. Okay, hang on here. Let me do it, honey. You got to shake this pretty hard. You okay, Benjamin? Here, hang on just a second. This one hand. Oh. I don't think it's doing it yet. Okay, wait a minute. You know what? We're just going to let it go down, and then we'll flip it over and see if we can do it again. Okay?
No, little Mario.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
I don't think you're strong enough, honey.
I'm a princess.
Yeah, you're a princess. Okay.
Okay.
We're having trouble already. You gotta shake it. Like, you gotta shake it really, really hard. Like, really, really hard. Okay, let's see.
Wow! I see a tornado!
Oh, the tornado's up here. What the heck am I thinking? I was looking down in the lower part. Okay. Alright, I am so sorry, honey. Well, dang, that went quickly.
I need one.
We don't have any more. This is the only thing.
I want to make a blue one.
I mean, I could dump this out and we can do a blue one, but we don't have more than just this particular bottle. Okay, my mistake. Let's try this again. Okay. You're supposed to see it at the top.
It's green.
See it in there? Okay.
Is that green?
And that goes so quickly. We should have got bigger bottles. Yeah, it's green. So did you want me to empty that out and put a different color in?
No, I'm gonna make a green and then I'm gonna make a blue one.
You want a blue one?
Yeah.
Okay, well I have to empty this out.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so just...
Wicked.
You want blue? So you drop it in the bottle, honey. Not that bottle, this bottle with the water. You gonna screw it on?
Mhm.
Oh, good girl. You're 4 years old and you can do that. I'm so proud of you. Oh, yep. It's blue. It's turning blue. Nope, you gotta wait a minute. Here.
It's going back up. It's gonna go back up first.
Yeah.
Back up. It's going back up. It's going back up.
You're silly. Oh, this table's all wet. Okay. So did you want to... And I don't think Benjamin's interested at all in this. Did you want to do the little tornado thing? Think about these particular bottles and this little science kit. It's not National Geographic, okay? It was... I don't even remember. Because we got this a couple years ago. But dang, it's pretty weak, I think.
How about make some? How about make white, blue? Okay.
Light blue?
Yeah.
Honey, we only have a few colors. You want to do this now? You want to shake it and see the little tornado thing in this?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta be done like... Okay, do you see it? There it is.
Tornado.
It's going down quickly.
Yeah.
We should have gotten the bigger bottles, but yeah. Did you want to try to make it happen? You gotta shake it really hard. Like shake it really, really hard.
It's splashing on
Okay.
me.
Oh, I'm sorry. There it is again.
It's that bubbles.
Mm-hmm. That's probably from the color, the Fizz tablets. Okay.
I need to do it again.
Did you want to do a different experiment?
Mhm.
Okay, hang on a second. So we have learning resources, precision balance. It's supposed to accurately, hopefully accurately, weigh items. So whichever is heavier, Abri-Grace, Benjamin, whichever is heavier, it'll go down. Okay, and the other one will be higher. Whatever's lighter will be higher, and whatever is heavier will be lower. Okay? Did you want to put, Benjamin, did you want to come over here, honey? Did you want to put some things in there and see which weighs more? Oh.
Oh.
Now, want to put something in the other side?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Oh. No.
What? Mickey Mouse weighs more than JJ? Huh. Again, if this is accurate. Okay, so you want to do that, Abri-Grace? You want to pick 2 items and put them in there? And see what weighs more? Which is heavier? Which is heavier and which is lighter? Okay, that is a container of finger paint, and it's pretty heavy, so. And one other thing. Oh. Yep, the finger paint weighs more.
It's heavier.
And that is accurate, I know, because this little arcade thing is pretty lightweight. You want to try, Benjamin?
It's gonna do the play-doh one.
You want to try? You want to put 2 things in there? Well, okay, let's see. Play-doh on one side, and... Oh, you gotta leave this on there. Leave it on. Okay, Play-doh and something else. What do you want to compare it to? Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Abri-Grace, honey. We got all these items over here. We got a glue stick. We have Spider-Man truck. We've got a bottle of bubble solution. Sunglasses, figurines. This is from the 90s. I got this in 1996. This was a McDonald's Happy Meal toy, I think. Or you could buy them or something. But yeah, this is from 1996. when they released that 101 Dalmatians at the theater.
It's gold.
Did you take that off? I didn't know that could come off. Okay, so this right here is a little bag of mini pine cones. And that's pretty lightweight. So, Benjamin, did you want to do this with us? Did you want to put a couple things in there? Come on, honey, you do. You do. What do you want to put in here? What do you want to weigh? Oh, a little Dalmatian snow globe and...
I want pine cones.
Okay, put the pine cones in the other one. Oh, so because Abri-Grace, see, because this goes down, let go of it. Because this goes down and this is up, that means this is heavier than this. Okay? That's how it works. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, if you switch sides, it's still the same. The snowman is heavier. What do you think, Benjamin?
Open it.
Oh, we're not opening that right now. Hold on. We're going to try a few more other things, okay?
The smaller, they go heavier, or they get good. Okay? We can
This
see.
is for a craft project, though. This is for a craft project. We'll open this here in a little bit, okay? How about the little cup? The little cup that says Benjamin. Be careful with it. That was $10. I think it cost $10 at the zoo. Okay, and
Bubble.
what do you think, Benjamin? Okay, that's a glue. This is a glue stick. So the little coffee cup weighs more.
I'm going to drink it.
Oh. So yeah, that's heavier. Let's let Benjamin do something. Did you want to put anything in there, Benjamin? What do you want to do? Okay, the kaleidoscope. And put it on one side. Kaleidoscope. Okay, here, how about we just leave it here? Leave it here. Hey, Benjamin, can you just leave it here? Okay. And one other item. One other item. Do you want to put something else on this side, Benjamin? Oh, the snowman.
No?
Oh, yeah. If you want, you can put the snowman in there. It's up to you. It's cool. What do you want to do? I know you don't like doing these experiments with us, but, honey, you need to. It's good for you. You want to put one other item? Okay. So we got Baby Margaret. Oh, look, the kaleidoscope is heavier than Baby Margaret. Benjamin, if you want to go, you can. If you want to go play on your tablet. It's okay. You don't have to do this with us. But thank you for doing a little bit with us, okay? All right, Abri-Grace.
Okay.
So over here, like, we have a little dump truck. And we have a tennis ball. Okay. Sunglasses. So what do you want to do, honey? Abri-Grace, did you want to keep doing the experiment? You want to see which weighs more?
Heavier.
Yeah, which is heavier? Okay, you want to pick two items? Abri-Grace, did you want to pick two items? Maybe something we haven't done yet. We got some of these figurines. Oops, we still have the sunglasses.
This one.
That one. Okay, that's just a little lightweight decoration. Oh, don't pull anything off of it. Okay, put it in one side. Oh, this is off balance now. Okay. Oh, it weighs more than nothing. You want to put something in the other side? I don't know if this little monster truck is gonna fit. Oh, it does. And look, the monster truck or the Spider-Man car.
How about this one?
You want to see which truck weighs more? Oh. Okay, so yeah. The Spider-Man car, I keep saying truck. The Spider-Man car weighs more. Okay. Anything else, honey? How about the you're playing that game? Never played this. We got this little mini arcade. Just never used it. I think it was like $25. I got it for Benjamin, but he never really took an interest in it. Okay, honey. Did you want to do any more of this? See what weighs more? Which is heavier?
I'm playing.
You're playing.
Yeah.
How about, let's see, how about this bottle of bubbles?
How to play with it?
You can play with it, but first we want to see what weighs more. Okay, which is heavier? Do you think the bottle of bubbles is heavier than the Play-Doh? Or did you think that Play-Doh is heavier? Can you put that back in? Okay, we're going to do the... I think we already did this one. Yes, the finger paint weighs more than the Play-Doh. But how about this? I just want to see if... Oh, look at that. The bubbles weigh more than the Play-Doh. Yes, heavier. Let's see. Anything else that you want to do? You just want to play with bubbles.
And play that Play-Doh too. Squish it out. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. Foodies.
You know what, Abri-Grace? I think we're down to this last container of Play-Doh, and it's orange. So you can make some shapes with it, but oh, wait, hold on. Let me open this. So Abri-Grace just wants to play with bubbles, apparently. So I guess that's pretty much it. We didn't do the glue stick, so let's see. How about the Play-Doh or the glue stick? Oh look, that didn't even go down at all for the glue stick. Let's see. I think the Play-Doh is like, well, it's the second heaviest, obviously. It's the second heaviest.
Play-Doh.
You want to play with Play-Doh? Okay, so do you want to end the video?
Mm-hmm.
You want to say bye-bye?
No. I can play. Saying.
You want to continue doing the video only with you playing?
Yeah.
You're so silly. I'm just gonna turn that off since we're not. All this stuff we got all over too. So what are you doing with the Play-Doh, Abri-Grace? That one little container of it. Are you gonna make a little dinosaur?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm sorry we don't have any more Play-Doh at the moment. Daddy got something called polymer clay. I've never worked with it before. And I'm not exactly sure what to do with it. But we are going to do that soon, okay? So. This is the first video we've done in a little while. as you press it real hard, you squeeze it together so that it makes the shape.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's done. Oh wow! Ah! It's a broken dinosaur.
It's a broken dinosaur.
Look, it's so cool. He got the tail.
Oh, you're gonna see how much it. See if it weighs more. Oh, that's a T-Rex.
It's squeezing.
Ah!
Help me! Help!
You squished the T-Rex. Oh no.
Help me! Let me make a block, okay?
I'm gonna organize all your toys. I gotta go through everything and organize it because you get everything disorganized. But we gotta put together all of your Play-Doh stuff because you got everything just scattered all over the place, huh? And then
Ta-da!
get you some more Play-Doh too. Mm-hmm. What you doing now?
Making the big one.
Nope.
I make a big one.
Okay.
You get a lot of Play-Doh. I'm making an egg.
An egg.
Yeah, like the dinosaur one. No one.
Okay.
It's like an egg now. Just like an egg.
Play-Doh egg.
It's an egg. Egg.
Is there anything else you want to do?
Yeah.
What?
Play-Doh.
Well, like I said, that's the only container of Play-Doh we have at the moment. So how about we just end this video for now, and then we'll do another project here in a little bit, or tomorrow. Okay?
Wait. What the?
You can keep.
Wait,
Okay, but you can keep playing with that.
no. What the? Wait now.
You want to do the video? Continue. I think I should probably wait. Abri-Grace.
It's swinging.
Oh, which lid weighs more? Look at that. The Play-Doh lid or the Bubbles lid? They're about the same.
I'm big. The Play-Doh lid.
So today we are doing the sink or float experiment. This is the first time we've ever done it. I know other people have done it, but don't do it just yet. Okay, first of all, we've got a few things. Put it down. We've got a few things we're going to see. Try to guess first if they will sink or float. We got some items. We've got, what is that, a light bulb? We got a container of Play-Doh, a brush, crayons, motion bubbler, magnifying glass. Okay. So you want to do the first thing. Okay, wait. Do you think the light bulb is going to sink or float?
Sink.
You do think it'll sink?
Yeah.
Okay, drop it in.
It floats.
It doesn't float. What do you think? How about, let's let Benjamin drop something in. How about this? Do you think that is going to sink or float? Hey. Okay.
No.
It floats. You dropped the crayons in already?
Yeah.
Okay, so the crayons, but wait, you're supposed to guess.
What?
Do you think, well, you already know that the crayons sink. Benjamin, you want to drop a crayon in?
Crayon?
Uh-huh.
This one.
Oh, look at that. See? It sank right to the bottom. Okay, now we have, what is that? A bottle of detangler spray.
I was spraying my hair.
Mm-hmm. Do you think it will sink or float?
Sink.
You think it'll sink? Okay.
It floats.
It floats, okay. That is a motion bubbler timer thing. What do you think, Benjamin? Do you think that'll sink or float? What did it do?
What did it do?
Did it sink? It sank straight to the bottom. Okay,
It's a toy.
it's a McDonald's toy. Buzz Lightyear. Okay, do you think it'll sink or float?
Sink.
Sink? Okay, try it.
It's floating.
Just about everything is floating. Oh no. We got a few things that sank. Okay.
Woohoo! Oh no, I'm going down. What happened to me? It's going in.
Okay, how about the play-doh? What do you think about the play-doh? Do you want to try it, Benjamin?
But it's mine. It's my turn.
Do you think the play-doh is going to sink or float?
Sink.
You think it'll sink? Okay, everything just about is floating. Oh, I know.
It's one.
What is that?
Pedro Pony.
That's Pedro Pony from Peppa Pig. Do you think he's gonna sink or float?
Sink.
Sink.
A sink. Oh.
He floats. Okay.
I had to going to come down.
Mm-hmm. Now, do you think the sunglasses are going to sink or float?
Hey. It's my turn to do it.
What did they do, Abri-Grace?
No.
Did they sink?
I say it's my turn to do it.
You're gonna get what? Oh no.
I said let me try to do it.
Okay, you can drop them too. Sink or float?
Sink. Sink.
Like we didn't know that already. Okay, that is a brush.
It was my hair.
Well, that's like a cleaning brush. What do you think the brush is gonna do? Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink?
Yeah.
Okay, drop it in.
It floats.
This is not like a super giant container, so we don't want everything to be floating.
Don't just spoon.
Okay, do you think it'll sink or float?
No, it goes
Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
I sink.
Sink?
It floats.
Another floater, okay. How about this magnet? Or wait, what's that? What's that? What do you got? Is that
Owl.
Oh, the owl?
Yeah.
Oh, the owl from Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood? What do you think, Benjamin? Do you think Oh, the owl is going to sink or float? Don't drop him in yet. Do you think he's going to sink or float? Okay. Abri-Grace, do you think he's going to sink or float?
I'm gonna sink.
Sink.
It floats.
It floats. Daniel Tiger going to sink or float?
Sink.
Well, think about the fact that these are all the same size figurines.
Benjamin.
Benjamin, you want to drop one in? Sink or float?
Sink.
It floats.
Sign.
Okay, now wait a second. Let's do something different. How about the fire truck? Sink or float? The toy fire truck.
I got your friends. I got your friends. We more.
So it floats. Oh, wait, no, wait, it's going down.
Wow.
Okay, so it's it'll float for just a moment and then it sinks to the bottom. Okay, how about this magnet?
Good sink.
Sink. Okay.
It floats.
Okay.
This sink.
Wait, what is this toy?
Do what you think?
Yeah, that goes with the fill and drill dentist. Okay. Drop it in. Wait. Oh. Okay, it floats. It floats. I forgot to ask you. All right. A stick. We got a stick. Really
Wow.
inside. Okay. Wait, don't drop it yet. Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
I'll sink.
Sink.
It floats.
We got just about everything in here is floating.
Look, what's in my hair? Wow. Look.
Benjamin, did you want to do any of it? What do you think, honey? What's that?
What's that?
You, do you know who that is? That's Daniel Tiger's toy, Tiggy.
Toy. Tucky. Mommy. It's a
And
baby
what do
tiger.
you think, Benjamin? Do you think he's gonna sink or float?
I'm gonna sing. He sing.
Well, he floated. What you doing?
What's it doing? Good. No. Penny Pony sink.
Pedro Pony sank?
Yeah.
How'd that happen? He did that. He went to the very bottom. Okay. He's down there with the sunglasses and the other toys. You know, I would have thought that a crayon would float, to tell you the truth. But, okay, how about a dinosaur? Wait, don't drop it yet. Sink or float? What do you...
The sink.
It's gonna sink?
It sink.
Hey, he did sink. Oh, wow. Honey, just about all we have here is...
Peppa Pig.
Okay, Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
You got 2 Peppas. Okay, sink or float?
I got my jacket on,
Mm-hmm.
but I won't get messy.
Peppa Pig, sink or float?
I'm scared.
Don't jump. No.
They hit it. How about this one? They got the shirt on.
Mm-hmm. It's a different Peppa. What do you think? Oh, she fell.
Yeah.
So she floats. Let's see. We have a little, very small magnifying glass. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Magnifying glass. Sink or float? What do you think? Do you think it'll sink or float?
I think.
Hey, you're right. I actually did not think that it would. It's funny, the things, because it's the same size, right? It's the same size as the figurine.
I see you.
Oh, I see you too.
Bubble say two.
Mm-hmm. What's that? Baby shark? Sink or float? Oh. Sink or float? What do you think he's gonna do?
I'm gonna sing.
Sink?
Yeah. Baby shark, do do do, going up, do do do. We going east, do do do. We going east, yeah.
Oh, what did he do?
Do we do?
He sank for real?
I will go up.
That's funny because the other figurines floated.
funny,
Except Pedro somehow ended up down there.
Woohoo! So much fun.
You want to try the spoon, Benjamin?
Spoon. Hello, I'm Spoon. Hello. Spoon. Okay.
Do you think the spoon will sink or float?
Sink. I'm gonna sink.
You think it? Do you think that'll sink or float?
I'm gonna get it down. I'll float. So wait.
I think it's gonna sink. So let's see. Okay. Oh, it sank.
It sank. Okay.
I'm surprised that the Play-Doh floated. A little bit surprised. What you doing, Abri-Grace?
Oh, she goes.
Keep talking.
Oh, what? I'm going to sing. Oh,
Oh, how about, where's Mickey?
oh.
Oh, we got Mickey and Minnie here. What do you think? Do you think Mickey and Minnie are gonna sink or float?
I'm scared. I'm gonna wait. Bye.
Where's he going? He's afraid of the water.
Yeah.
Oh no. Minnie's not scared, is she? Oh, she's scared too.
can try.
Say, let's get out of here. Nobody's watching.
It's okay.
Benjamin.
Hi. I want to be pink. Oh no! I can't sing.
He sank?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he did sink. Okay, Minnie Mouse, you gonna sink or float, Minnie? Hey, she went down to the bottom too. That's funny. That's interesting.
I see that good.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. I don't think I did.
Mm-hmm.
You help me too, don't you? Yeah.
Oh, Benjamin, that chair's not gonna come out right now because I got the table over here. This is our workstation.
Benjamin.
Did you want to play in the water at all, Benjamin? You can. This thing was super heavy to carry. I should have filled it up while it was on the table.
Say, oh, Bob, baby, oh, but don't eat me. No, don't eat me. What? Ah! Oh no, this is short. One, and then I'm two. Me too.
Oh, they got out of the water.
He's scared of shark and the dinosaur. I love you. Give me your this one. What Mickey Mouse? I want Minnie. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna send me again. No.
Oh my.
No. I love. Wow, Judy, don't be wow.
More things float than
tablet.
sink. Oh, yeah, put your tablet in there. That'll ruin it. Anything else you want to try? We got the finger puppet. I think that's Sky. There's Princess Jasmine. You want to try those? What do you think? Sink or float?
Merry Pixels.
Sink or float? What do you think?
Help me. Touch you. Oh, Dummy, Mickey. My business is going downhill. Well, I know right out the way. I'm gonna move it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna move it.
Okay.
I'm not very good today. I bet so much better.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas. That's him. I'll help you, okay? Let me help you.
So the finger puppets, what do they do? Sink or float? Finger toys. Do they float?
No.
You're not gonna let me find out.
Here's a bubble. bigger today. This not bigger, yeah. I'm gonna get some sick. I need to go to the doctor for to get things to get better. Yeah. I'm going to see God. You're going to see me again.
Oh, JJ. JJ floats.
No, help me.
So we got Peppa Pig figurines, Coco Melon figurines, and Daniel Tiger figurines. That's Miss Elena, Prince Wednesday. What do you think? Because it doesn't matter what you think. Hey, that little teddy bear went straight to the bottom. The little figurine teddy bear. He went down there with Pedro, and it's Pedro's teddy. That's funny.
I need to get thinking. What?
You got the shark.
I know my teddy.
He got his teddy back.
I'm scared. No, don't you do it.
Whoa.
No, Daddy. Oh no, I need my teddy. No! When the fence is not really good. Okay, little shark, calm down. Just calm down, family. Calm down. Just calm down. Oh, I got you. Yes. Oh dear. I got you. This was the monkey. Okay, good. I take him to Papa store. We don't need. I need Play-Doh. Double it.
Okay.
I'm going to sink or float.
You want to see if the actual Play-Doh itself sinks or floats? It's opened. What do you think? Sink or float? Sink or float? It's hard to get out. It's a new container. Uh-oh, I should have gotten it out for you. Ah! It sank!
I need to help me get out.
Okay.
It's melting. It's melted Play-Doh.
Oh, yeah, it gets mushy. Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
Sink or float?
I'm gonna sink.
Oh no, it's like dissolving in there. It's making the water all dirty. Oh no! We should probably get the Play-Doh out so that it doesn't do that. Oh no.
But
Uh-oh, it made the water all dirty looking. I didn't expect that to happen. You can, you don't put it on the side.
no.
You're just gonna play with it in there.
Yeah. Oh no. We need purple. Oh dear.
Ooh, mercy. That looks so messy. What? That face.
I'm washing my hands.
The water is like all murky looking, all foggy. It's all foggy in there. Ah.
Mommy, you got some tea over there and we'll wash my hair first.
Oh, that stuff. Remember, that stuff's kind of sticky. I can spray some on your hand a little bit, but yeah. Okay. Our favorite detangling spray.
Wait, let's put it in the water.
And put it back in?
No, just try open it. I say you're gonna float or sink.
Think it'll make a difference with the lid off? Well, the liquid you couldn't tell. It would just blend in with the water.
It's sticky. Try.
It smells more like berries. I think it smells good. Okay, you want me to spray the water?
Yeah.
See? It just kind of probably harder for you because your hands are wet. You guys go to the store tomorrow. But, so this is our favorite bubble bath too, Mr. Bubble. Don't pour it all in there, just a little bit. We'll see if it's all bubbly. Okay, okay. I think that's quite a bit. That's enough that you could use. Oh, hold on, let's see. It's actually not getting very bubbly. I'm disappointed in that. Okay, we'll put more in there. Okay. Okay. Woohoo. All right, that was a lot. I don't want to use any more because we don't want to run out. Did you want to?
It's my turn to do it.
Okay, use the stick. You gotta kind of do it kind of hard.
It makes a bubble bath.
Mm-hmm.
But you go get a doll.
A doll?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll go get your doll.
All
right, we got your baby and also the little flamingo thing.
Oh. Take it back up. Aw. Woohoo. What's a play-doh? Where's the play-doh go? Let's go down a hill. But you hold it in. Oh, I have an idea. I need to put my hands to watch it take off. And apple. It's apple. Look, washing his face hairs.
Mm-hmm. Get her all squeaky clean.
What is it?
Where's what?
The bake cup. One last time I saw. Close your eyes. Okay. He closed his eye more. You go get the towel and then you go get towel first.
Give baby a bath. So this entire video just totally changed. It went from a sink or float experiment to giving the baby doll a bath.
I did it. The orange one, how do you see it? There was 3 orange notes.
Got a lot of toys in there with her, huh?
Ta-da! It's not the real one. Go get my scrubber hair wash, okay? Oh. No, it's one. Okay. Ta-da, okay. And you take her and you wash her.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, wash her hair.
Make sure you get her little feet.
Yeah, I'm trying to clean her. But mommy, don't put her water, okay, mommy?
Okay.
You can just swim. Huh? Oh, it's a big one. It's a big swim. Ah! She splashed me. see. Oh, where's baby go?
Where's the baby?
Yeah.
Where is she?
Nancy on the water. I bet her on the water. It's going downhill. I want to heal my baby. Wow. I'm safe. I'm going to sink or float. I'm going to sink. Yay! I sink. Let's float. I sink away in the bubble bath. Wash my hands after they might eat. And now wash my hands. Wash my hands. Now I can be happy. And I'm going to wash my hands. Too much water. And too much water everywhere. Take it there we will. When all the teeth is scrubbed, my hands. Hey, kitty, wash my hands and wash. I need to wash my hands. It's a big up. There's more whistle everywhere we go. Let's go do it again. I need to do a happy idea. Let's go sing with me. I need to do. Well, wash my hands in the rain the sink and floats. I'm gonna sing all floats. Take and sing here. So, mommy. I'm washing my hands. I'm washing my hands. You go wash my hands. Come. See me, what am I doing? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, wash my hands. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.